Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm here in Crane Landings and I want to show you this Hartford model everybody's talking about. Okay, the reason why everybody's talking about is because they sell this floor plan in Lehigh, Cape Coral, here in the Craig Landing, and also in Port Charlotte. It's a very popular floor plan, so I'm going to be showing it to you like I do in all my videos. I start on the outside and then I move inside. This is the model, okay? So there might be some kind of difference between the ones that have been built in the other places, but I just want you to see the floor plan and get an idea of what the home looks like, okay? So this is what you will get in Craig Landings, okay? I have a video on Craig Landings when they were building it before. I'm gonna put it on the link before so you can see more or less the community, what it looked like when they were starting. So I might do comeback if you would like. I might come back and do another one now that it's already built up. And I haven't been here in, I think, a year and a half or 2 years. So this is the home. This one, for instance, includes a pool. But all of those are extras. So what I'm gonna show you is just the floor plan. So you can get an idea, and I'm going to put on the link below some of these homes that are being sold in Cape Coral, okay? And so that way you have an idea. The ones in Cape Coral, they're not going to have the pool because they're spec homes. But for you to have an idea what the pool will look like, if you put a pool, that's what it will look like, okay? So over here's the pool equipment for this home. So this is the model home. So I mean, the garage is being used as offices. So we're just gonna go inside the home and show you the floor plan. So please feel free to comment and tell me what you think about the furnishing and the layout and all of that. And please, if you are new to the channel and you would like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe channel, hit the subscribe button, and you'll fix the lighting a little bit, make it a little brighter. There we go. Okay, we're in. So now as you come in, over here to your right, you have bedroom number 1. Over here. I don't know if I said it before, this home has 1,936 square feet on the air, has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Really nice decorated, I like it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Over here, this is the bathroom, the guest bathroom. The reason it's set up like this because it's the model home and they have to have a handicap bathroom, okay? So what you will see in the real home, it will be the shower, or the bathtub with the shower there where the toilet is, and the toilet will be somewhere around here, and then here will be a quartz countertop with a sink. So let's move on to the next room. This is room number 2. Okay. This was not as spacious as the other one, but it's a decent small size. Okay. Let's go to the next one. This is room number 3. It's kind of like maybe the first one. So you can see the size of the bed. It's a nice size. Well, the one in the middle, you could also use it as a den, or an office. So, I mean, size-wise, you could fit a full-size bed here without any problem, and you got your closet there. So you could use it either way. You could use it as a bedroom or as a den. But the other 2 rooms, they're nice size. So let's keep going over here. This home has tile all throughout. Okay, so that's nice. Over here, check out this humongous area here, and the nice kitchen, the dining room over there, and the living room over here. Very nice decorated. So let me go on to the corner so you can visualize the size. Check out the window that's looking towards the pool. It's nice. the other corner here. Pretty big, spacious room. So if you like openness, this is open. Remember, if you would like to know the price on the different areas, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay? Remember, this home could be built in similar home like this, could be a home built in Cape Coral, Lehigh, Port Charlotte, or here in Craig Landings. Some things might be a little different, but it's basically, this is the idea for you to get an idea of the floor plan. And in Cape Coral, Lehigh, they're building spec homes, so they already, I could tell you where the areas where they're building it if you would like more information, okay? And for prices, same thing. I'm gonna see if they have them listed in the MLS. I'll put them in the link below. And if they don't have it in the MLS, then you're gonna have to call me. So I'm gonna try to do that because I don't like to say it on the videos. I say this in all my videos. I don't like to put the price on it because prices vary from day to day. Sometimes they're giving incentives, so that's something if you would really like it. Call me up to see what incentives they're giving at the time that you call. So, you know, builders, they kind of give a lot of incentives now. Instead of lowering the price, they give you incentives. So feel free to contact us to find out what incentives are they giving at the time that you call. So. And over here is your big closet. Look at this. Very nice size closet. Over here's your toilet with your door. And here's the nice double sink. And here you got your towel closet. And over here you got the shower. Nice thing about the shower, it's a tile floor. That's nice. And the bedroom itself, it also has a nice big window, lets a lot of light in. And as you can see, it's a pretty nice size room here. Stand on the other corner here. Let me go over the kitchen over here and the appliances. Here's your dishwasher, refrigerator, and what everybody likes is a nice big pantry. Okay, nice big room to entertain. So let me go show you outside if you decide one day to put a pool. If you're buying outside Craig Landing. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. I will be doing a video on Craig Landing. I'm going to do a drive-by so you get to see the whole neighborhood. So you get an idea what this neighborhood looks like. And if you want more information on this specific home in Craig Landings, feel free to contact us. So that way we can fill you in on if it brings the pool, it doesn't bring the pool, if it's a package, on how much it costs, okay? So feel free to contact us for that. And remember, like I said at the beginning, this home is being built in Cape Coral, Port Charlotte, in the Lehigh, and here in Craig Landings. So if you're interested on this type of floor plan, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to find what you're looking for, okay? So hope you enjoy this video. Please, if you're new to the channel and you would like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the like button for everybody else. Please, if you hit the like button, it helps me in the algorithm with YouTube, and it really helps me out and makes me feel happy because I see people like it. I've been getting a lot of likes lately, so I'm very happy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.